Earn money watching videos 2021. Does earning money by just watching videos sound impossible to you? Well, of course it is possible to make money online by watching videos the whole day. Welcome back to our channel, guys. Join us in today's video as we watch Earn Money Watching Videos 2021. Stay until the end as we have some captivating steps and apps to tell you on how to make money online like this one. Also, if you enjoy watching these videos, smash the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and the bell icon so that we can notify you regularly. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Watching videos online is one of the most interesting things to do. So, what if you can get paid for every video you watch? It's like other people working as an employee from morning to night and you are earning by being at home. It's amazing indeed. So this can be possible, but the main thing you require is a PayPal account to receive the money you earn. If you own a PayPal account, then we can continue. Let's go ahead and begin with some apps and websites that you can prefer. Number 5. Appnana. Appnana can earn points on this app by watching videos, playing games, and several other different things. All you need to do is install the app that is available for both Android and iPhone users, and by doing so you can earn points that you can redeem later on, reaching a specific limit. The users have earned about $10 million for this app, which is a remarkable achievement. The app also hosts an affiliate or referral program where qualified applicants or the users like us make around $300 a day. Well, this is again remarkable to make about $300 a day, so suppose you wanted some more information about its referral program. In that case, you can visit the app and scrolling to the bottom, you can choose the referral program option, availing yourself all the information required. Number 4. App Trailers. Another useful app for you guys to make money online watching videos is App Trailers, but this app is available only in the United States. So if you're out of the US, you can explore other apps like this on the Play Store. Why not iOS? This app is available for Android users only, so you can install the app by going to the Play Store. After downloading, you need to log into your account and click on the Watch Videos, and by that, you're all set to earn points. You can earn points as many as you want, and it will depend on how many videos you have watched. You can cash those points out as gift cards at Amazon, PayPal, Target, Walmart, and many other stores like this one. A captivating tip you can use is installing the app in your family or friends' mobile phones with your account so that you can earn points whenever they watch videos or complete tasks. Isn't it cool to use it like this? So if you want other apps to earn money, keep watching as we will reveal the 2 best apps to use. Number 3. AdWallet. The first thing to do is connect to AdWallet.com. They have managed to make everything really beginner-friendly and straightforward. Secondly, you need to sign up for an account by entering your name and email address. After signing up, you need to watch the video and you're done with the first step to earn money. They will notify you to watch a short video whenever a new offer is available. The best thing is, as soon as you earn $10, you can withdraw them. The major downside of this particular website is that you cannot withdraw your money using your PayPal address. Either choose to transfer to your bank account or gift cards, such as Amazon gift cards. When you go over to the advertise section, you can see that the main objective of the AdWallet is to do efficient marketing and advertising. That means that they will not spam you. They will not display those disturbing ads you can see all over the internet, and instead, they will target a specific audience and only display appropriate ads. The more time you're willing to spend, the more money you're going to generate. Number 2. Feature Points. It is a website and an app that can help you earn money by several different methods like taking surveys, earning cashback, playing games, and more. Of course, these are convertible to any gift card for Amazon, Walmart, etc., but most of us consider watching videos rather than playing games, surveys, or other things as they are interesting. So talking about the website, on top of it, you will see a PayPal logo that means that they will pay you via PayPal. And on the top right corner, there are the points you will earn, your profile logo, and the referrals you have. Now, how will you proceed to earn? All you have to do is to set up an account with your Gmail or Facebook login details. You can now earn when the PayPal logo with a bar reaches 100%. That means you get qualified for doing so, and in reaching that point, you can cash out any amount you want. You can even manage the selection of the amount you want to cash out from $5, $10, $25, up to $500 at a time. Once you earn points, you can explore the offers section, providing several offers like Peanut Labs, AdGem, and more. These offers allow you to watch videos and advertisements of all types, helping you earn more points. They even mention how much you can earn, like up to $2,500, $3,000, etc. Another essential feature of the website is that you can cash out your earnings as Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency with a high market value. Are you finding the website helpful? You can earn points by referring your friends, a common feature of several apps and websites. The referral earning is like when you refer 2 people, you will earn 25% of what they earn. And if you refer 3 people, you will earn 50% of their earnings. So at all, there is no limit to how many people you refer to or how many points you earn. You can also try some free apps by installing them and watching videos on your phone available on the Feature Points app. And at number 1, TV2. One of the best websites to use is TV2.com, which is an entertainment ecosystem on the blockchain. Here, you can earn by watching YouTube videos and other tasks, but the main thing here is converting your cryptocurrency into regular dollars. By this, you can use the money earned anywhere you want. This website is one of the most trusted and secure websites that has been appreciated by Entrepreneur magazines, Forbes, Vice, and many more. You need to begin with a phone and a TV where you need to set up by accessing the setup guide available on the top of the website. The step-by-step procedure is easy to access by watching videos, earning cryptocurrencies and boosting that earning by completing different tasks. In addition, you will always be updated with the latest updates or news about the app so that you don't miss anything. Now, how to set up is quite a simple procedure. You have to download the TV2 app and then link your devices by scanning the QR code from your TV screen to sync your TV with a smartphone. After all this, lean back and earn cryptocurrency. That is, the TTV Ethereum tokens ERC20 for every second you watch videos. If you want to convert those cryptocurrencies into whatever currency you're using, you can go to Coinbase.com, a website where you can set up an account to have your crypto converted to fiat and the funds sent to your bank account. As we mentioned, you can watch YouTube videos. Some of the YouTubers host an ad in this app to get the ad revenue and earn more subscribers, and further pay you to watch them. So watch them and earn more. Now that you know it's possible to earn money by just watching videos, as long as you watch videos, you will be earning. But when you stop, the money stops. So use these apps and websites and make money online while being at home. What do you think about this? Will this work for you? Would you be using these apps and websites to earn money? Let me know your thoughts, views, suggestions in the comments below, if any. Also, it took us a lot of time to research and provide this useful information to you guys so that we would appreciate any feedback. Remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel so that we can notify you guys regularly. Until then, stay tuned as we will get back to you soon with our new value-packed video like this one.